JW Solar USA's all blue skies today. We're making some awesome power at the moment. It's just too early. But folks, this is what is going on. You guys can see outside how the clouds are. Stay tuned for more power production coming live from the channel. JW Solar USA. Subscribe, like, and share. Morning YouTube, JW Solar USA. Well, we got some little sun today. I'm still messing with this thing a little bit. This is the power coming in right now. We're making some power just with those two modules. The input voltage is sitting at 41.8. So this is the power we're bringing in. I'll keep pushing the button right here. Just because of the timer for the screen. I don't want to keep it on, drawing some power from my grid. So this is what is going on. This is the update for you guys, and we're bringing some power. The sun is not even directly yet into the modules, but this is what's happening back and forth. And you see about 35 watts, 39, almost 40. Coming live from the panels to the grid tied limiter, pushing it back into my home. Give you a close look and see how everything is going. This baby is working. Thanks to all of you guys watching my videos, commenting, and subscribing, and with all the support. I want to thank all of you guys for taking the initiative, watching my videos and commenting. I really appreciate that, and love you guys all, and wish you a happy weekend, you and your family. And let's keep on doing the good thing. Let's go solar, brothers and sisters. Thank you. Even the guys across the pond, overseas, I love you guys, and thank you so much and being there for me. And let's keep fighting hard, and let's start bringing more power. Let's make some power. This GT is working. I'm really excited because it's nice to buy something and test it. It works, and it's just few panels there. It's just a 170 watts panel. You guys saw the video, go back and look at it, part 2. You see exactly how much modules I'm using. They are not mounted, just sitting on the deck, and make sure just lay them flat. No angle, nothing. Yeah, I don't want to set up anything, or I don't want to throw this thing to work right away without testing it first with a little system, and this is what I'm doing. Thanks for watching. From the command center, this is JW Solar USA. I wish you all the best, and keep on watching, and stay tuned for more videos to come from this channel. Bye for now. I just want to keep showing you guys. You see, we're still making power here. 44 watt on no angle, just laying flat on the deck. Well, would you imagine if would have been angle, right? We'll see the power right now. I plug. I'm ironing my my pants, and the same adapter or the same outlet that this thing is plugged into. That's where is the second one. I just plugged the electric iron. So I'm energizing this stuff because nothing is running at the house. We are still on off-grid power. So I just want to plug this to the grid and just keep pushing more power into this. See how I can able to pull more power. Alright, stay tuned. Subscribe, like, and share from the channel JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. And let's keep making power. 31.9 volts on the DC part on the solar array. The voltage is kind of higher, a little bit higher in the mid-range than you making substantial amount of power, which the GT likes. Or if you go too high, then it's gonna be a problem because you're losing efficiency. That's how it is, according to part of the manual and observation. There's a second one I've installed, and I just want to show you how things go. Here, we're almost pushing 50 watts. Okay, all right, it's working. Thank you. Bye bye.